Welcome to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the stunning world of coral reefs and exploring why they are so vital to marine ecosystems and the planet. What are coral reefs? Coral reefs are underwater structures made of tiny animals called coral polyps, which build limestone skeletons over time. These reefs create intricate, colorful habitats that are home to about 25% of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. Fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and many more species depend on coral reefs for food and shelter. But coral reefs do more than just support marine life. They also act as natural barriers, protecting coastlines from storms, waves, and erosion. By absorbing wave energy, coral reefs help shield millions of people living along coasts from extreme weather events. Beyond their ecological importance, coral reefs contribute to local economies through fishing and tourism. Many coastal communities rely on the biodiversity that reefs support for their livelihoods. Unfortunately, these incredible ecosystems are facing serious threats. Climate change is one of the biggest challenges. Rising ocean temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel the algae that give them color and energy. If the ocean stays too warm for too long, the corals can die. Ocean acidification, caused by increased carbon dioxide, also weakens coral skeletons, making it harder for them to grow. Pollution is another major issue. Plastic waste, chemicals from agriculture, and untreated wastewater can smother coral reefs, blocking sunlight and introducing harmful substances. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices, like using dynamite or cyanide, also harm reef ecosystems. The good news is, conservation efforts are underway. Scientists and conservationists are working to protect and restore coral reefs through methods like coral farming, where fragments of healthy coral are grown and replanted. Marine protected areas, MPAs, are also being established, creating safe zones where fishing and harmful activities are limited, allowing reefs to recover. Coral reefs are truly the rainforests of the sea, filled with life, beauty, and significance. They are essential to the health of the oceans and our planet, but they need our help to survive. By supporting sustainable practices, reducing pollution, and raising awareness, we can all play a part in protecting these fragile ecosystems. Let's work together to ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of coral reefs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Truth YouTube channel for more inspiring content about our planet's natural treasures. See you next time.